Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Today we're going to be looking at the Thinborne super thin Arimid fiber case with MagSafe for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. You're going to get an ultra slim feather light designed for a barely there experience and feel. Guaranteed fit with 3 rounds of rigorous quality control. The premium 600D Arimid fiber is an elite material that boasts a unique blend of style and strength, 5 times stronger and thinner than steel. And even though this is going to be a minimalistic case, you're better with than without. And with that being said, let's do this. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, you get a temper glass screen protector. What more do you want? All right, let's put the case onto my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Up top, your 5G antenna is going to be nicely exposed there, and you have a little cutout exposing the top mic. A little bit of lip all the way around the 9 Pro XL. Beautiful flat AMOLED display. Again, this is a minimalistic case. If you are really good about holding on to your devices, this is a case that you can sport all the time. And for those of you that just can't hold on to your smartphone, use this type of case on date night.
Oh, yeah.
When you're going out and doing something special.
Oh, behave. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
You're dressed up. You want a little extra Samsung for your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. This is what you want to sport. Like I said at the beginning of the video, you're better with than without. It just looks very sexy, very exquisite, and yet bold. Got a huge cutout for that camera island there, and you're going to have a little bit of lip and depth rising above that island of cameras. I would probably sport a camera glass lens protector. And, well, we know that you're getting a free temper glass screen protector from Thinborne, so you want to put that puppy on because of the minimalistic lip that is surrounding the flat display on the 9 Pro XL. At the bottom, got a cutout for the bottom mic, huge cutout for the USB Type-C charging port, nicely exposed there, and you have a cutout for the speaker grill. Yeah, that is nice, folks. That is definitely looking good. Thinborne brand name at the bottom of the case. Now, for those of you that are going to ask how grippy it is, it's not super grippy, but it does have some grip. Again, you got to hold on. And now it is time to test out the magnet for MagSafe. Boom, just like that. No issues whatsoever. But how strong is the magnetic hold? It's got to pass my test. Got to swing it around. A little bit of a shake. Yes. It passes, folks. Man, that is strong. Okay, let's do this again. Boom. All right. And now it's time to put on the tempered glass screen protector. Everything looks great. I did have to reset my fingerprint, but that's okay. I left the one that was there, just added another one, and I'm having no issues with the Thinborne tempered glass screen protector. Let's do that again just to show you. And yes, it's very, very fast, nice and responsive with the ultrasonic fingerprint reader underneath the beautiful AMOLED display. And of course, the star of the show, the Thinborne Arimid fiber case for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Again, all the information down below in the description area. And with that, thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. Any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. Thinborne, once again, thank you for giving me the opportunity. God bless you all. Peace. I'm out.